I've created my Arizona quiz. I've got a question that asks students, what is your first and last name? Then I've got 2 multiple choice test items. If I scroll down to the bottom, I'll see that I've checked the box that says show link to submit another response. I'm going to uncheck that. I want students to submit only one response. Now I click send form. A form is different from other kinds of Google files. You cannot share a form with your students the way you can share other Google files. I cannot just share it with a group of students and it'll show up in their shared with me section in Google Drive. So what I need to do is I'm going to click the link to share to select it, and then I can right click and left click copy, or I can just do Control C. Now I'll click done. Now I'm going to go back to Google Drive and I'm going to create a Google document. I click Create, Document, and I'm going to name this document Arizona Quiz Link. I click OK. Now in the document I type, click here to take the Arizona quiz. I select that text, I click the Insert Link button, I right click where it says Paste a Link and left click Paste, I click Apply. Now let's just test it to make sure it works. If I click here and then click on the link, I'll have access to the quiz. So I can close this tab to go back to my Google Doc. Now I want to share this Google Doc with my students. And since it's a doc and not a form, I can share it easily. So I click File, Share, Change. I want to share it with specific people, so I click Save. Where it says Invite People, I type language. I'm going to choose Language Arts, second hour, 7 contacts. Now I want to make sure I click Can Edit because students will need to take the quiz. I don't want to notify people via email, so I'm going to uncheck this box. I click OK. I click OK again. And now I've shared the link to the form or the quiz with my 7th hour students. Now I click Done.